Hey guys, it's your girl Jules and I'm back again with another video. Don't mind my background. I was trying to clean up and then I decided to do this video. So today what I want to talk about is how to start your own YouTube channel. If you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my notes that I wrote down and stuff like that. So the first thing that you want to do is create an account. If you already have a Gmail account, then that means you already have a YouTube account. Second thing that you want to do is decide your name. If you already know your business name, then 9 times out of 10 you really already know your YouTube channel name. Third thing that you want to do is add your profile picture. Add a nice little clean little profile picture. Don't overdo it. Don't make it more than what it needs to be, because I've seen some people procrastinate just on the profile picture alone. Do not be one of the people. Third thing to do is to create and add your channel art. Now the channel art can incorporate your little business colors that you got. Make sure your channel art tells people the mission for your YouTube channel or the mission for your business and stuff like that. Have your upload schedule on there if you want to. Have pictures of you on there if you want to. We're gonna get into some ideas on how to create your channel art, but that's gonna be something for another video. Third thing that you want to do is plan your very first YouTube video. So the way that I came up with my very first YouTube video was I looked at other people who was in the same niche as me, and what I decided to do was I went to their most popular videos, and that's how I came up with some ideas for my YouTube channel. Normally what I do is I write down topics and then brainstorm those topics, and then whenever I get the chance to upload a video, I upload a video. Third thing that you want to do is record your video. So sweetheart, this is where you're gonna need some confidence at. You need confidence to start these videos. You can't be on here saying this and that. Yes, I understand that your very first YouTube video is gonna make you very nervous. Hence the reason why my very first video I wasn't necessarily nervous, but I did catch myself saying a lot, which really made me mad. So what I decided that I would do was I edited out all of the that I had in the video. You probably didn't even know that I had said in there. That leads me to my next step. So the next step for you to do, edit your video. Edit the video. Whatever you don't like in there, I would take it out. If you don't want to re-record everything, I would just insert a clip of, you know, you write it down what actually happened during that part of the video, or whatever advice you missed, I would just go ahead and add it in there with text. The next thing to do is, after you edit that video, go ahead and upload that video. Upload that video. Don't be worried about who's gonna view it. The first day is probably not gonna get no views at all. It might get 1 view or whatever. Upload that video. Stop procrastinating and upload that video. It doesn't matter if it's like a trash video, you ain't really talking about nothing, you just did a vlog, just upload the video. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I love you.